Have you ever wondered which underwater camera can truly capture the magic beneath the waves? With so many options on the market, finding the perfect camera for your underwater adventures can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep to discover the top 5 underwater cameras for 2024, each offering unique features to elevate your underwater photography and videography experience. Whether you're a casual snorkeler or a seasoned diver, these cameras are set to redefine the way you explore and capture the underwater world. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX LX10. Last but not least, the Panasonic LUMIX LX10 brings high-quality imaging to a compact and portable design. Renowned for its versatility, this point-and-shoot camera is well-suited for underwater photography. With a 1-inch MOS sensor and a LiCi Vario Summilux lens, the LUMIX LX10 delivers exceptional image quality and performs well in low-light conditions, crucial for capturing the underwater world. Its 4K video recording capability means you can capture both stills and high-resolution video, ensuring you don't miss a moment of the underwater action. The 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization keeps your shots steady, even when conditions get rough. The camera's lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver underwater, while the 3-inch touchscreen provides a convenient way to adjust settings and review footage. Specialized underwater modes optimize the camera's settings for various lighting conditions, making the LUMIX LX10 a reliable companion for underwater photographers looking for portability without sacrificing performance. Number 4. GoPro Hero10 Black. For many, the name GoPro is synonymous with action cameras, and the Hero10 Black lives up to this reputation, especially in underwater settings. This flagship model boasts an impressive 5.3 video resolution at 60 frames per second, delivering stunningly sharp and smooth footage. What truly elevates the Hero10 Black, however, is its hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization technology, which offers unparalleled video stability, making your underwater footage look cinematic and professional, even in choppy waters. The Hero10 Black is designed to thrive underwater, with powerful color correction technology that ensures your footage captures the true vibrancy of marine life. Whether you're swimming with dolphins or exploring the ocean floor, the GoPro Hero10 Black's intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to adjust settings on the go. Its various shooting modes, from time-lapse to burst photography. The Hero10 Black is not just a camera, but a gateway to capturing the hidden wonders of the ocean, designed to handle everything from casual snorkeling trips to deep-sea expeditions. Number 3. Insta360 ONE R. Versatility is the name of the game with the Insta360 ONE R. This modular action camera adapts to different shooting scenarios, including underwater environments. The unique design allows users to switch between different lens modules, catering to various photography needs. For underwater enthusiasts, the 4K wide-angle lens module is a game-changer, offering crystal-clear footage with exceptional detail. Equipped with flow-state stabilization, the Insta360 ONE R ensures your videos remain smooth and shake-free, even in the dynamic underwater environment. Its ability to shoot both standard flat videos and immersive 360-degree content gives you the flexibility to capture the underwater world from every angle. The camera's user-friendly interface and responsive touchscreen make navigating settings underwater a breeze. Whether you're shooting wide-angle shots of a coral reef or capturing the intricate details of underwater tunnels, the Insta360 ONE R delivers high-quality imaging. After your dive, the camera's comprehensive editing software allows for easy customization and enhancement of your footage, and its live streaming capability means you can share your underwater experiences in real time with a global audience. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. Building on the success of its predecessors, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is designed to capture spectacular underwater footage effortlessly. With its robust waterproof construction, this camera can dive to substantial depths without needing an external case, making it ideal for both snorkelers and deep-sea divers. The enhanced sensor and image processing capabilities ensure that every shot is rich with detail, vividly capturing the colorful marine life and underwater landscapes. What sets the Osmo Action 4 apart is its rock-steady stabilization technology, which minimizes camera shake, delivering smooth and stable footage, even in turbulent waters. It's expected to feature dedicated underwater shooting modes that automatically adjust settings based on lighting and depth, making it easy to get professional quality shots without fuss. With a longer battery life, you can spend more time filming and less time worrying about recharging. The intuitive controls and simple menu system ensure that you can focus on capturing the perfect shot rather than fiddling with settings. Whether it's low light conditions or the desire for slow-motion footage, the Osmo Action 4 promises to deliver bright, crisp results every time. Number 1. Insta360 X3. Imagine diving into the ocean without having to worry about additional waterproof housing for your camera. That's the freedom the Insta360 X3 offers. This compact yet powerful camera is built for underwater exploration, boasting a rugged waterproof design that can handle the pressures of the deep without any extra gear. Its standout feature? A 360-degree capture capability that ensures you never miss a single moment. Whether you're gliding through vibrant coral reefs or exploring the mysterious depths of underwater caves, the Insta360 X3 records every detail in stunning 4K resolution. But it's not just about capturing beautiful visuals. With advanced stabilization technology, the Insta360 X3 keeps your footage smooth, even in strong currents. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to frame your shots, and live monitoring lets you see your footage in real time. Once you're back on land, the Insta360 app offers intuitive editing tools, from color correction to adding music, making it a breeze to create shareable content that tells the story of your underwater adventures. Lightweight and portable, the Insta360 X3 is the perfect travel companion, ready to capture whatever underwater wonders come your way.